I wish someone told me this before I started to make money online. Most people don't fail to make money online because they're lazy. They fail because they're confused, impatient, and chasing the wrong things. Trust me, I've been there. I've tried courses, funnels, and AI tools and failed more times than I want to admit. If you ever felt behind, stuck, or like everyone else has figured it out but you, then this video is for you. I'm documenting my journey of rebuilding mindset, money, skills, and systems. And today I want to break down why 99% of people fail online and what you can actually do differently, including exercises you can do right now. Reason number one, identity comes before income. Here's the hard truth. You don't fail because of strategy, you fail because of identity. Most people just jump into what business should I start, what side hustle pays the fastest, and what AI tool makes me money. But they never ask, who do I need to become to earn consistently? If your identity is, I quit when it's slow, I need instant proof, I doubt myself daily, no strategy will fix that. So here's an exercise that you can do right now. Pause this video and go and grab yourself a notebook or a pen and paper or open up an app and write, I fail online because I'm the kind of person who, and for example, quits when it's slow, avoids posting, needs instant results. Now rewrite it. To earn online, I need to become the kind of person who, and then for example, shows up consistently, builds skills first, and finishes what I start. Now ask yourself, what would that person do this week? Is it post one thing, learn one skill for 30 minutes each day, and finish a small project? And do this honestly. This is the foundation of everything else online. Identity first, strategy second. And reason number two, skills compound, money lags. Making money online is sold like a vending machine. Put in effort and get instant payout. And the reality, it's more like a garden. Skills like content creation, selling, or digital products grow slowly at first and then suddenly compound. And most people quit before that momentum starts. Don't worry, I've done it too. And this is why we need better ways to measure progress. And this is another exercise you can do, like a progress scorecard. Create a small weekly checklist. Do I show up? Did I learn or improve a skill? Did I create something, post, page, or an idea? And did I finish something I started? And if you hit 3 out of 4, then you're winning, even if your income is 0. Money is a lagging indicator. Skills and consistency are leading indicators. And reason number 3, don't copy, build proof. Most people just want to copy success, funnels, scripts, and lifestyles. But online income works best when it's rooted in real experience. And that's why my channel isn't about 100k launches. It's about the small wins, the mistakes, what works right now and what doesn't. People trust progress, not perfection. Your journey, even small steps, is your proof. And reason number 4 why most people fail online is because systems come after stability. Many people try to scale before they're stable. They ask, how do I automate? How do I outsource? How do I scale? Before clarity, focus, and finishing anything, scaling is just chaos. I'm rebuilding slow on purpose. One platform, one message, one income path at a time. Systems come after foundation. Freedom is built, not rushed. And remember, Rome wasn't built overnight. Reason number 5, money doesn't fix chaos. Most people chase online income, hoping it will solve life problems, stress, debt, burnout. And the truth, money amplifies chaos if your mindset and habits aren't ready. I'm rebuilding how I think, manage time, and respond to setbacks, because I know income without stability doesn't last. So here's what I'm doing differently. Mindset first, identity, patience, consistency, small money wins, proof over hype, digital skills, content products, AI tools, simple systems, no shortcuts, no pretending, no selling dreams I haven't lived. If you feel behind, you're not alone. If you're rebuilding, you're not broken. The exercises I shared today, the identity reset and the progress scorecard, are small actions you can take immediately to start building momentum. Please do comment below where you're starting from and where you're rebuilding. And please do hit that subscribe button if you want realistic online income, honest guidance, and a safe place to grow while I share my journey with you. This is Modest Money Matters, and I'll see you in the next one.